going to discuss how to create a purchase requisition in Oracle Fusion. For that, we have to assign the roles to our user. The roles will be give the particular access to the user which they can able to do the transaction. For that, I will go to the at tools level. There is an option called a security console which I will click on it. There is a tab called users. You just search with your user. Yeah, this is my user. You just click on the user. Here there is an icon called add role. To create a requisition, we need the role of advanced procurement requester or procurement requester or procurement preparer. We are going to add the role advanced procurement requester. After adding the role, you just click on save and close. Now the role has been successfully added to the particular user. Now we have to give the data access to this user, whether the user has to belongs to a particular business unit. For that you have to click on the user icon and click on setup and maintenance. You just search for manage data access for users. Click on it. Click on the plus icon to give the data access to the particular user. I am going to select my user. And the role will be advanced procurement requester. The security context, I want to assign this role to the business unit. I can add the number of business units that which the supplier can able to raise the requisition from that business unit. Going to add the business unit, US1 business unit. Just save on that. Now the data access has been assigned to the user. We are now we can do the synchronization process. This is the schedule process for retrieve latest LDAP changes. This process is helps us to synchronize the users and the roles and with the data access. Okay. Now I will try to create purchase requisition under procurement tab. Okay. It just by default, routed to Redwood pages. Now we are going to create in a normal place called classic method. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, here you can see under requisition preferences, you can see only US1 business one because we are given the data access to this particular user. If you are given the data access to many business units, so that we can select a particular business unit from which the user want to create the requisition. Yeah, by default we have to provide a location. I will select any location here. I didn't have any project module, so that's why I'm not using any project module here. Just click on save and close. You click on more tasks. Okay. Here you can see the option enter requisition line. Click on it. Yeah. And my line type is goods because I was creating requisition for a goods item. Yeah, I'm going to select 19 widescreen LED monitor. Basis on the item configuration, the item description and unit of measure and price currency, by default it's coming from the item, and my destination type will be inventory. It is not mandatory to give the sub inventory at requisition level. If you want to give the sub inventory, you just mention the sub inventory, otherwise not it. After adding the item with a requested quantity, I need the quantity of 27 quantities, and my price of the monitor will be $30. I just giving an example price. After adding it, you just click on add to cart. How it works as it will works like an Amazon. Whichever the item you want to purchase, you just select the item and you have to add the quantity and you just click on the add to cart. I will show you how to, I will try to add another item. Let's try. AS. Now I'm going to add these items. 22 widescreen LED monitor. I'm going to purchase 12 and price will be 43, and this will be also an inventory, and click on add to cart. Same as it is, it's work like if you're buying groceries or any purchasing an item from Amazon or like a Flipkart. There you will select an item and you just add it to your quantity. In the same way, we just search with the item and the required quantity and the unit of price. If you want to add, you can add. Otherwise, no need to add. By default, there will be a price which will be come from the item setup. After adding to the cart, just click on the cart. We will see how. Just click on review. Yeah, these are the available item quantities with lines in our requisition, and this is the price, quantity, and the generated amount and the total amount. This is the requester. This is the my user, and this is the requested date on which date I was requesting this item. In the same way, we have the delivery location, from which location you want to deliver. The same we just mentioned here. Yeah, same. Here we can see the approvals. If you want, you just click on the manage approvals. You can see who is your approver. If you are click for submit, it will went to your higher authority or approver person, higher person for approval. You will click on manage approval. Here we can see who is the person assigned to this approval. Yeah, these are the persons assigned to the our requisition. Yeah, yeah. This is the requisition. Lines we added. You if you want to add a more line, if you want to add a more an item in your cart, here there is an option called shop. You just click on it to add another item to add in your cart. Just click on the requisition and you just search for item, and I'm going to add this STD resolution monitor uh, of quantity 15, and the price will be same. Yeah, that's it. And just click on the add to cart. It will be add to your cart. Previously we just added the two items. Now I'm changed my mind. I want to buy one more item. For that I just click on an option shop. Yeah, you can review before it is two items. That is 19 widescreen LED monitor and 22 widescreen LED monitor. And I added another item, STD resolution screen monitor, by clicking on the shop, and it will be directly routed to the home screen of the requisition page. There you have to click on motors and interliquidation line. It will be routed to select the item. After that, you just click on the add to cart. It will be added to your cart. You just review it. You can review it on what are the items we are added and what is the quantity, what is the price. Everything we can review here, and you can review the approval also. Yeah, the requisition part has been done. Once a review has been done, you just click on this submit it,
went for the approvals. Yeah, you can click on the PDF. You can see the created requisition in a PDF format. Might network issue, I guess. Yeah, it got downloaded. You can see the added created requisition in a PDF format. This is the first line, which I was added for 19 white screen monitor with the quantity and the amount and the total price. You can see the status as pending for approval. Once it got approved, it shows as an open. Yeah, yeah, that's it. Uh, this is the process of creating a purchase requisition in Oracle Fusion. Yeah, thank you.